Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a quick unboxing to share with you. I don't have a lot of time, but I did want to unbox this with you. This is a true unboxing. As you can see, it's an unboxing from Saint Laurent, and I ordered this from the Saint Laurent website. The shipping was really fast. I ordered it on Saturday, and today is Wednesday, and it actually arrived yesterday, but I wasn't home, so I had to go pick it up from FedEx. So really quick shipping. It shipped directly from Italy, so really fast shipping directly from Italy. It came with this. I think this is all the receipt and paperwork and return information, so I'm not gonna bother opening that right now. So it came packed in a box and a ribbon. Okay, so it's packed really nicely with tissue and a sticker. Really nice packaging. And it's in the Saint Laurent dust bag. I'm excited to see this. I have not seen this bag in person. To reveal, okay, here is the Lulu puffer bag in the toy size or the mini size, and it is in the black, it's the black wrinkly leather with, I think they call it matte wrinkly leather with black hardware. Okay, let's just take a minute to take a look at this. It's so squishy. Okay, yeah, I was nervous about this because I hadn't seen it in person, but it's really cute. Okay, let's open up. So this is the strap. It has the leather piece and then it has the matte black hardware. So the reason I chose this bag is because I had the toy Lulu for a while, and I ended up selling it because I kind of wished that I had bought the So Black one, the black leather with black hardware. I didn't. I bought a different color. So I ended up selling it. I wasn't using that one very often. And I was going to get the So Black toy Lulu, and then I started thinking about the puffer bags and how I liked how they were, you know, squishy and soft, and I knew that they had this toy size in that, and I think this will be easier to pack because it's one big compartment and it's more of a, or less of, it's a less structured bag than the toy Lulu. And I also liked the strap on this better. The toy Lulu one is that really thin all leather one, whereas this one has some chain and some leather, which I prefer. So let me just take this out. So that's the tag. This tag must remain attached for changes. Okay. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I'll do a review at some point once I've used it, but yeah, it's really cute. So it's a magnetic snap closure. It's got the black YSL logo, and it looks like the strap is removable with these toggles. So I guess you can, yeah, you can remove it to make it just a little clutch, I guess. And yeah, I'll have to try it on to see how long it is on me. It looks like it'll be a good length, I think. And I wasn't sure if I would like the wrinkly matte leather, but I do. It's nice. It reminds me a little bit of the Chanel aged calfskin. So I'm not sure what type of leather this is. I can't remember what it said on the website, but it feels pretty durable. Yeah, it's just a really cute little bag, and I just love So Black bags. Sorry, that chain's making a lot of noise. I love So Black bags, so I have, I guess this is my fourth one now. My other three are Chanel, and I know that in terms of black bags, So Black are my favorite. I just love how it just goes with everything. The black hardware, I really like the look of it. So anyway, that is my new purchase for today. Yeah, this is the only Saint Laurent bag I currently own because like I said, I sold my toy Lulu. So I'm going to give this a try and see how I like it. The quality feels great. The price was reasonable. I'm gonna just see if the price is in this paperwork so I can share it with you. Because I cannot, excuse me, I cannot remember offhand what the price was. Okay, so it was $2,195 plus tax. Yes, so I don't have the price including the tax, it just has the price without tax on this paperwork, but yeah, 2,195 Canadian dollars was the price, which is definitely more reasonable than comparable Chanel bags. So yeah, the quality feels nice on this. So anyway, I will do a first impressions review once I have tried it out, and I'll show what fits and everything, and I will also post mod shots on Instagram so you can see the length. I'm gonna end it there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is fashionjunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.